So it's nothing but 2 to 4 weeks time period is called as iteration. So instead of calling it as a phases, we call it as an iteration. Right? Now, when you talk about ceremony, right? Your marriage is a ceremony. It's like a function. Okay? We'll talk about it now. So when you talk about the iteration is 2 to 4 weeks period. At the end of every 2 to 4 weeks period, you need to deliver the working software. That is what we have been discussing. Now, in the beginning of iteration, we do a function called as iteration planning or sprint planning. Right? What is sprint planning? I told you, right? The requirements in Agile project are in the form of a stories, right? So you take it out what work you can do. Stories are nothing but the requirements, correct? What requirements you can do in the within a period of 2 to 4 weeks period. You cannot take the whole product in 2 to 4 weeks, right? So you divide the story in such a way that stories are written in the form of a postcard. That means not as simple as possible, right? So if you are able to do that actually, then you take how many stories you can do it per sprint, per iteration. That you need to plan it in the sprint planning, right? Very simple, right? A train goes from one station to another station. The onboarding and offboarding, where it will happen? In the beginning, right? Once the station train comes, then people will. How much maximum people can get inside a train? Assuming that there is no standing. How many more people? How much of the people can get into a bus? Let's say, assuming standing is not allowed in a bus. Anybody? Very simple, right? How many seats are there? Correct? Yes. So that is what we decided in the sprint planning. How many stories can be accommodated, right? How many requirements can be accommodated based on the capacity, no standing, nothing. What is comfortable for you, that alone you'll take it. Now, in the next sprint, now once you say that, okay, I decide to do, let's say 5 requirements, 5 stories now. Okay. That's it. I freeze the requirement for the first iteration. Now, what is my job? I need to do that 5 requirements. I'll start doing it. While I'm starting doing it, every day I have a ceremony function called as daily stand-up meeting. What do you mean by daily stand-up? Why it is stand-up? It's nothing but it's not a status update meeting, but rather I will go to the board and write how much work I completed yesterday, how much task I'm going to do it today, and is there any bottlenecks or impediments for me? That's it. The whole thing will happen only for 15 minutes. If you stand it, no, you'll do something fast. If you sit it, no, you'll get relaxed. You will not do it in 15 minutes. The daily stand-up ceremony is happening for how many minutes? A short 10 to 15 minutes. What is the name of that? Daily stand-up meeting. What is happening there? Every team member. How much team member will be there in Agile project? It's also 4 plus or minus 3. 4 plus or minus 3 in a team. So, how many people can be there? Maximum 7 or 10. It will not go beyond it. Minimum can be 3 to 4 people. 7 plus or minus 3 people will be there in Agile project. So on 10 people, let's say, or 5 people, let's say, okay, for simplicity's sake, we'll take 5. The 5 people will go on a board and say that, hey, I completed this task, I'm going to do it. What is impediment? For example, I want to work in a software. I need a user ID password of a software, right? That is called as, I don't have it, so it is an impediment. Then what you do at the end, actually, I saw something called a demo or sprint review. What is demo? Customer is sitting along with you. I give the requirements to my customer for verification, validation, validate scope. No, here we are calling it as a sprint review or sprint demo. I demo it to the customer. Customer say, hey, out of 4 stories, 3 stories I'm fine, I'm accepting it. 1 story I'm not comfortable, I'm not accepting it. What will you do? That 1 story will go back to the backlog, right? And then you will go to the next sprint or next iterations, because every iteration is strictly time boxed. Let's say 4 weeks means once the 4 weeks is over, whatever the work you have completed is completed, whatever work you have not completed is not completed, next sprint will start. Again, there also, what is possible for you, you will take it. Then daily stand-up meeting, you reflect it. What is at the end of the thing, give the demo. Whatever you completed is completed. Whatever not completed, go back to the backlog. Then the next iteration it will go. Before going to the next iteration, one final ceremony we do it in the iteration called as retrospection. nothing but your knowledge management. You remember we discussed that in the predictive approach also. How, what went well, what I need to do to take it forward, what went wrong, what corrections I need to do to take it forward. That is what is happening in